Assalamu alaikum students, this is Atika Batul and today we are going to discuss about equations of motion lecture number 3. Well, we have already discussed that how to prove first and second equation of motion in previous video. If you want to watch it, then link is in description. In this video, we are going to discuss about third equation of motion. So let's start our video. What is third equation of motion? This equation relates the square of the final velocity to the square of the initial velocity, the acceleration, and the displacement. It is used to calculate the velocity or displacement of an object when the time is not known. Now, how to prove third equation of motion? As we know that area of the graph gives us distance covered by the body. Well students, to prove third equation of motion, draw a speed time graph. If you want to know how to draw this graph, then link is in description. From the graph, we can see that area of trapezoid gives the total displacement of the body. Well, this is a trapezoid. There are two parallel AB sides called bases of trapezoid and H is the height. Now rotate this shape and see the graph. From the graph, distance covered by the body is equal to area of trapezoid OABD. Well, the formula for area of the trapezoid is S is equal to half A plus B multiply height. Well, from the graph, we can see that A is equal to OA and B is equal to BD, where H is equal to OD. So by putting the values, we get the equation S is equal to half OA plus BD multiply OD. Also, you can see that OA is equal to VI, BD is equal to VF, OD is equal to T. So by putting these values, we get the equation S is equal to half VI plus VF multiply T. As we know that in the third equation of motion, there is no time element. So to remove the time from this equation, we use first equation of motion. The first equation of motion is Vf is equal to Vi plus At. From this equation, we get T is equal to Vf minus Vi divided by A. Put this value of T in the first equation. So, the above first equation becomes S is equal to half Vi plus Vf multiply Vf minus Vi divided by A. By rearranging these values, we get the equation 2as is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. So, this is the third equation of motion. So students, this is the very easy method to prove third equation of motion. In the next video, we will discuss about motion due to gravity. So don't forget to watch and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.